Hello and welcome to the Also Ravishing Podcast. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love if you would check out my channel. If you like what you see, share, comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so when your girl go live or drop a podcast or any other content, you will be notified. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. You know, also love you. Now let's get into it. So, y'all, today is part 3 of insurance. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 podcasts, please go back and watch them 2 podcasts. I speak about insurance, benefits, and so much more. Today, I will be talking about wellness visits, medical necessity, ICD 10, and CPT codes. Wellness visit. A wellness visit is a yearly exam that helps you stay healthy by reviewing your medical history, identifying risk factors, and developing a personalized prevention plan. What happens at a wellness visit? A wellness visit is an appointment with your primary care provider to review your health and create a personalized prevention plan. It may include your medical history. Your doctor may review your medical and your family history, including conditions that run in your family, a physical exam. They will measure your height, your weight, and take your blood pressure, perform blood tests, immunizations, other screenings, and lifestyle factors. Your doctor may ask you about your active levels, nutrition, sleep habits, and so much more. Your doctor may also do a medication review. Your doctor reviews your current prescriptions and vitamins. Your doctor will also provide personalized advice to help you prevent diseases and improve your health and advanced care planning. Medical necessity. Medical necessity. A medical necessity is a decision by your health plan that your treatment, test, or procedure is necessary to maintain or restore your health or to treat a diagnosed medical problem. In order to be covered under the health plan, a service must be considered medical necessity. ICD 10. ICD 10 code are codes that consist of letters and numbers. For example, a EKG screening, the ICD 10 code for EKG screening will be Z13.6. ICD 10 code is a classification system of diagnosis codes representing conditions and diseases, related health problems, abnormal findings, signs and symptoms, injury, and internal causes of injury and diseases. And last, we have CPT codes. CPT codes, also known as current procedure code or just procedure code. For example, a chest x-ray, one view, the CPT code for that will be 71045. A CPT code is a general term for codes that identify what a patient received or underwent, such as medications, durable medical equipment, or surgeries. When it comes to ICD 10 codes and CPT codes, as the patient, you really don't have to worry too much about that because the doctor's office and hospitals will take care of that. So, y'all, this is the end of insurance. This is the last part. This is part 3 of insurance. I hope everyone have a better understanding of insurance and your benefits. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, like I said at the beginning of the podcast, please go back and watch them 2 parts. You can have a better understanding, a full, clear understanding of how insurance work, how your benefits work, your co-pays, out of pockets, and so much more. So I hope everyone enjoyed this podcast. I know it wasn't long because we only had like 4 more things to touch base on for this podcast. Want to leave I didn't want to leave that out of the podcast, even though when it comes to medical necessity, ICD-10, CPT codes, the patient really doesn't have to worry too much about that. But just know, in order for you to have a test or a procedure or surgery, um, it has to be medical necessity so your insurance company can pay for it. Because if it's not, and you do have a procedure or a test or anything done, you will be responsible 100% for whatever you had done. So again, I hope that y'all have a better understanding. Until next time, y'all, remember, love, live, and laugh. Bye.